Well, here it is. Finally, it's arrived, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, this was announced back in February, and finally, at the end of October, it's being released in Australia. It's priced at $2,999. So what is the point of this device? Why make a folding smartphone? Well, the whole idea of it is to put a bigger screen in your hand. So on the front, you've got a 4.6-inch screen, but then when you open it up, 7.3-inch screen is suddenly in your hands. Now, this is designed obviously for people who want to enjoy their content on a grander scale, their apps, multitasking. We'll get into all of that, but let's take a closer look at this device. In terms of the build quality, Samsung has done a really good job, and the secret sauce, all the work has gone into this hinge. This is the hinge that makes that foldable screen possible. It takes all those layers of polymer and opens them up precisely each and every time so that it snaps open. It snaps open flat as well, so that you're getting a great experience. There would have been a lot of engineering work put into that hinge. What people were worried about, and me included, I was thinking that this is going to be a lot thicker than it actually is. Like, it's 1.7 centimeters at the end here, 1.3 on the edge of the screen. But it still doesn't feel too thick or bulky. It does still fit in my pocket really easily. It's no more cumbersome than a normal smartphone. So not a bad result there. So what's the experience like? It's really easy, of course, to access all your content and whatever you need to do on the front screen. Really convenient to answer your calls, messages, whatever you need to do. But then opening it up, it actually folds out with a really nice, satisfying click. And even when it's in the open position, it's very hard to see the seam of the screen, unless it's shining in a certain light. You can't really notice where the hinge, the section in the middle there is. So when you're looking at your content, your photos, browsing, you don't really notice that line at all. So the experience is actually not too bad. It is surprising. I know a lot of people that I've shown this to are amazed that there's this screen that's suddenly unfolded in front of them. The quality of the screen is superb. It's as good as the quality you'd get on a regular smartphone, but here you're just getting a lot more real estate. Now, I've been using this for a few days now, and it has been a great experience. There are some apps, though, that aren't really designed to be used properly on that larger inside screen. So the issue that I had, the only problem I've got here is that it's a shame this front screen isn't just a touch larger. So you're kind of going from one extreme to the other. So the front is a smaller 4.6-inch screen. Today, we're used to having screens 6 inches and larger, which gives us plenty of room to move. Yes, when you open up, you have got this larger 7.3-inch screen, but some of the apps don't actually work as well on this size and shape of a screen. When you're using some pretty popular apps like Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, the experience is a little different. It's actually, what you're getting is a larger view of the content, but you're not actually getting more of the content. So a regular size smartphone, which has a much deeper shape, a longer size, actually fits more tweets, more images on Instagram, more Facebook posts in one screen than it does on the Galaxy Fold. What you're getting on the Galaxy Fold is a larger version of the content, but actually less of it because of the shape of that inside screen. But for watching videos and enjoying content like Netflix and other streaming services, the Galaxy Fold is fantastic. That larger inside screen is perfect for commuters, travelers. If you may be on a plane trip, you don't have to carry a second device. You can just carry this product, the Galaxy Fold, and have both the small front screen and that larger inside screen to enjoy all that content on the move. I do have another little complaint though. This screen is fantastic, but why do we have to have a notch? Now, in the top right-hand corner, there's a little piece taken away to fit in the internal cameras. After having all this space dedicated for a screen, I would have liked to think the cameras maybe could have been hidden above the top bezel. When you're looking at photos and even watching some videos, the notch actually does get in the way. You can see it. It does intrude a little bit on your content. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Fold did have its issues earlier this year. There was a problem with some people mistaking the top layer of the screen for a screen protector. When they removed it, they actually damaged the phone. There were other issues too, where debris maybe entered through the hinge, some dust, and caused problems with the screen as well. But Samsung has gone away, fixed all those problems, and I'm happy to tell you that the version we're getting in Australia is the new and improved version that has addressed all of those issues. Samsung wanted to be first with the folding device, and they succeeded. We have seen other folding devices from Huawei that was introduced only a few days after the Galaxy Fold back in February, but that still hasn't come to market anywhere in the world. Galaxy Fold is available now and is going to herald a brand new era in smartphone use. So that's it, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It's available now. What do you think? Are you going to put down $2,999 to buy it? Look, it's not a phone for everyone. It's going to be a fairly niche product. For a start, not many people have got $3,000 to spend on a smartphone. But for those that do, I think they're going to enjoy a pretty good experience on the move. It's going to impress a lot of people. I know the people that I've shown the device to, they've been absolutely amazed seeing the device unfold to reveal that larger inside screen. So if you are a multitasker, if you do enjoy viewing your content on the go, then the Samsung Galaxy Fold is definitely worth your consideration.